Medyo delayed musician.
As quickly as it probably needed to.
What do you want in life?
For you to not argue with me all the time.
Wow. Grabe siya.
See?
Why do you say, why are you're saying like I always argue?
I'm not saying you argue, I'm just saying you have a strong opinion every time I say something.
Oh yeah, I'm very strong.
Filipino?
No. I'm very opinionated person.
Oh, here you go.
Ayun na naman siya sa clearance. If you want it, go grab it. Okay. Frozen veggies. Shredded keme. Ito pang sopas. This can be keme for sopas. Put in the sopas. Just remove the crispy. But love my purse. Sige, that's what I told you. Hold on to my
It's right
purse.
next to me. Paranoid?
Yeah, I'm from the Philippines. You never know. Instead of getting these small celery sticks for $2.20, can you get celery sticks? The bigger ones. So you can get $1.38. $1.38 of celery sticks, bigger, but they're not pre-cut, as opposed to $2.28. Kaunti lang. Ice cream. Why you make me crave? Okay, this is the right aisle. We're going to grab frozen veggies. So a lot of people think anyway, a lot of people think that frozen veggies are not really fresh, but they are. They're just frozen and they're cheaper, and most importantly, they don't spoil easily, right? Frozen veggies. Okay, because that's our problem with vegetables. I love vegetables, but laging na papanis, nalalanta. So, okay, riced veggies. I really like cauliflower rice, but I want the plain one. I don't want any flavor. Can you help me? Can you put these back? Because we found cheaper. 84 cents versus $1.
Diane.
What? You don't want to save something cents? Oh, mas mura to eh. This is 84 cents with carrots, green beans, corn, and peas. Ta-da! First gonna get lean ground beef for pasta. $4.50. I think it'll be cheaper to get the bigger one. And yeah, it'll be cheaper to get the bigger one, although you're gonna have to store separately. So we're gonna portion this and put this in Ziploc container. Okay. So instead of buying tomatoes, because they have short lifespan,
If you want me to,
I'm a singer dito.
Baby, all through the night.
Love your voice. So 26 cents tong versus generic to eh. Diba love, this is generic.
Yes.
Versus the, I don't know how much that branded, oh, 98. So, ang laki ng difference. So, let's stick with that. Let's go with 2 because this doesn't expire easily. Yeah, 2022 pa siya mag-expire. Love, what brand do we use for tomato sauce?
The
For
tomato brand.
yun yan siya. Diba? Nakakatawa siyang kasama man. Grocery. Katuwa siyang kasama eh. Yan lang siya. Acting pogi. Flex. Pa-cute. Ganyan. Oh. Che.
Isn't she so pretty? It's getting full.
Okay, let's go. I think that's it.
Alright.
I think this is good for a whole 2 weeks. Or maybe more. We'll see how much it is. What's your guess?
My guess is 120 to 130.
My guess is higher than that. Okay, let's go. Wala, may pila. Ano ba yan? Haba ng pila. Hanap tayo ng counter na walang pila.
We're gonna break these chains.
Yan, love this. This. Yan, very good. Nunahan ka ni Kuya.
Andrew was right about the price too.
All those for
Thank you.
101. Thank you. What was the total price?
$101.43.
Bueno, that is good for maybe about 2 or 3 weeks. Tapos, chop ko na yung chicken, onions, garlic, tapos meron akong pre-chopped or pre-chopped veggies para sa repolyo at carrots. So, yun. Vienna sausage, tapos yung gatas. So, making sopas is easy. So, first, painitin ng kawali. Sunod, ihanda ang mantika. So, we're using the... Ay, mag-focus. We're gonna use the extra light and flavor olive oil whenever the kawali is hot. So mainit yung kawali. Since it's hot, we're gonna saute our garlic, onions, and then put in the chicken. I put in some salt and I'm gonna saute the chicken until it's cooked before I add anything else. So, malayo pa siya malito dahil color pink pa siya. Pwede mo rin lagyan ng since we're still gonna boil it, we can go ahead and put the chicken broth in and just let it simmer. Chicken broth. Just let it simmer. Since malambot lang to, you want to put this later. Some people want to use regular hot dog, but I like Vienna sausage in my sopas. So this is what I got from Walmart. It's chopped salad kit Southwest. It's got, I don't know if you can see. Hope it focuses. Okay, since the veggies and the sausages are very easy to cook, I already put in the noodles or the elbows, macaroni elbows, and just let it simmer and until it's ready. And then I'm gonna add my veggies and my Vienna sausage, and then I'll put in my cream, heavy cream later, or you can also use evaporated milk. So when your noodles are almost ready, you want to put in heavy cream or evaporated milk, depends on your liking. You just want to stir that. And I put in my Vienna sausage there para mas maghalo ang flavor. Just keep stirring. Ihuli ang gulay because vegetables are very easy to cook. So lower down the heat. So this is the sopas. This is the sopas, and it had some kale in it. That's okay. Wala namang rules ang sopas na wag lagyan ng ibang gulay bukod sa repolyo at carrots. Actually, you know what? Tingin ko nga gusto ko pang more gulay. So, I'll add more veggies in there. I'm gonna dump all the gulay, the veggies in there. Ta-da! And keep stirring. I love my veggies. So, yan. Para sa mainit na gabi. Sopas with a lot of gulay. So tips on how to save in groceries is, first you want to make a list of what you want to cook for the week. So once you've made your list, it's gonna be easier for you to go grocery. It's gonna be faster because you have your eye on the price, you know. You have a list and you're gonna that's the goal for going grocery shopping. And then number 2 is you want to portion those meat that you got at the grocery. You want to portion them. I usually have Ziploc bags, and that's what I use to portion my meat. So I have them in the Ziploc bag. So if ever, like, I don't, you know, like, let's say this is gonna be for chicken adobo, I'm gonna defrost this is gonna be actually for 2 days, like chicken adobo, and then the other half, let's say chicken afritada. So you defrost, but you cut them, or you're gonna cut them already into the portions that you're gonna make for the meal or for the dish. So yeah, so it's easier. So basing on like how much we got, I think we're good for about 2 weeks. So that's not bad for 2 people. $100 for 2 weeks for the 3 meals. That's actually pretty good, I think. I don't know if you guys have any ideas, suggestions, but for me, that's the easiest thing to do, is to have a list of your planned meals, and then buy your grocery based on the list that you have, and then make pre-packed meals. Like for example, for today, for our dinner, I made sopas. So I think this is gonna be good for basing it on how much it is. I think it's gonna be maybe 6 servings. So we're gonna eat for dinner for tonight, and if we don't finish it, we can eat it for dinner tomorrow or Tuesday. So we can just put them in Tupperwares and freeze, so that way we just defrost, and diba, that's good saving. Yun lang, that's all we did for today. Went grocery, and now we're gonna eat dinner. Bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified of our future videos.